Hey guys, I am back from holiday and this is a new optimization for the Momentum Scalper from MingTrader. It's using DAX DE40, and as you see we're using the 100% real ticks, and we started off with $100 and it's managed to generate $11,000 with a 5% drawdown, maximum drawdown, so that's pretty good. That's what it looks like, and this is using the latest update, version 1.2, which includes some VWAP settings, which, you know, if you've used VWAP before, you realize that it is a very useful tool and something that a lot of institutional traders are also watching. So I've got some settings in there, and it's generated this, and I'm going to show you the first day's trading, what that looks like. And this is the first day's trading using this. You see it's the 25th of April, that's today. Hopefully you get this video, and I put in $295 in there, so we had $300 in this account, and rather than using $100, which I felt was a bit too tight, actually kept getting stopped out unnecessarily, I'm going to use $300 now and just take out the profits. And as you can see, today's profits, so $295, we've made $90, so a good, almost a 30% increase on the account in one set of trades. So it's gone in long in here, and you can see it's taking the profits out here. Got $90 in profit. So this is from the set file for DE40 on Plexytrade, using Momentum Scalper 1.2. So this is the latest one, which got updated the other day, and found some really good optimizations on DAX. So now I will go and look for new optimizations on other pairs.